Well, welcome back, folks. Hope y'all had a good week. I just came back from Disney World, and it was the 50th anniversary. I thought it was kind of cool. I was 7 years old 50 years ago when they opened, and we were there on opening day, and it was just sort of interesting. All right, well, we're back at it. We're going to try to complete this bridge here, control center, and try to get these interior bulkheads cut out and assembled so we can slide it into it and get to finishing this nose. I know it seems like it's taken a while, but there's a lot of little details, and just working through it, and I hope y'all are enjoying watching. We left off with these spiral stairs, and one of the landings has come off. Someone knocked it around this week, so I got to put that back on, and then we will be wrapping this around it. And then we're going to glue it into place here, put these wing walls that we trimmed back into place. And by the way, on the final kit, I've already done the modification for that. And then we'll fold it all together, and we'll attach this other buttress back in here, and then we'll attach those to that soffit, and that should be done. Then we'll go to that. All right, well, here we go, and thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. We do appreciate you, and we hope we're entertaining. Thank you. Well, folks, I got the bridge done, the control center, but still didn't get to the bulkheads. Ran into a little issue with the spiral stairway. I had projected and printed the stairway at a different, or the wrap for the guardrail and the the handrail and the kick plate. I had scaled that wrong. Things happen. Anyway, I made it, and we'll see if we can't see that. I don't know if you can or not. I'll try it. There's several different angles there. We've got the hatch guardrail, the wing walls, the table for planning and navigating, and the spiral stairway and all of the buttresses. Again, it's a little bit of a rough build, but that's because it's a prototype. I think it looks all right. Well, anyway, that's where we're at for the week. Again, sorry I didn't get to the bulkheads. We're working through this. It's taken longer than I thought, but as long as I can entertain people, and that's what I hope I'm doing. All right. Listen, again, please like, subscribe, and share. Like, subscribe, and share. And if you're coming in on this, just looking at one of these projects or one of my builds, you can go back onto the Surf Duke site there on YouTube, or look us up on Facebook. We've got an Instagram account, and just take a look and see what you like. Okay. Again, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great week.